These 5 things can ruin any product listing, no matter what platform you use to sell your product. First, low-quality images can instantly lose a buyer's trust. Blurry photos, missing angles, or bad lighting fail to show the product's value. Second, weak titles kill search visibility. A title without clear keywords or product details won't attract the right audience. Third, cluttered or vague descriptions turn customers away. Buyers need clear, benefit-focused text that answers their questions quickly. Fourth, ignoring customer reviews damages credibility. Listings with unanswered complaints or missing feedback make shoppers hesitant. Finally, poorly written bullet points fail to highlight key benefits. Bullet points should be short, benefit-driven, and easy to scan so buyers can make quick decisions. Avoid these mistakes and your listing will stand out from the competition. Which of these mistakes is holding your product back? Share in the comments.